If your notes are scattered everywhere and you want a simple system that actually keeps your life organized, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Para in OneNote so you can organize your projects, responsibilities, and reference material like a pro. Para is one of the easiest systems for keeping your digital life clean, focused, and usable every single day. And the best part is, once you set it up, it becomes much easier to know exactly where every note belongs. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open OneNote and go to the notebook where you want to build your Para system. We're going to create a structure that is easy to navigate, fast to capture into, and simple to maintain over time. The goal is not to overcomplicate things. The goal is to give every note a clear home so you can stop wasting time searching for information later. We'll start with the first part of Para, which is Inbox. Right-click in your notebook section panel and select New Section. Then name that section 00 Inbox. The reason we put it at the top with a 0 is so it stays at the front of your notebook and is always easy to find. Think of this section as your friction-free dumping ground. Whenever you have an unorganized thought, a quick note, a web clip, a pasted idea, or something you don't have time to organize right away, it goes here. Do not try to make it perfect in the moment, just capture it quickly. A great habit is to empty this section once a week and move each note into the proper part of your Para system. That one habit can completely change how organized your OneNote setup feels. Next, we're going to create projects. Right-click the empty space below your sections, select New Section Group, and name it 01 Projects. This is where your short-term efforts live. These are tasks and goals that have a specific outcome and a clear deadline. For example, planning a trip, launching a website, finishing a course, or preparing a presentation. Inside this section group, create individual sections for each active project. That way, each project has its own dedicated space for notes, checklists, resources, and progress updates. When a project is finished, you can archive it or move it out of your active view so your workspace stays clean. Now let's set up areas. Create a new section group and name it 02 Areas. Areas are for the long-term responsibilities in your life that need regular maintenance but don't really have an end date. These are things like health, finances, family, career, home, learning, or business management. Inside this group, make a section for every major domain of your life. This is where you keep ongoing notes, routines, standards, and anything you need to maintain consistency over time. Unlike projects, areas do not end, so they help you stay on top of the parts of life that always matter. After that, create your resources section group and name it 03 Resources. This is where you store reference material, topics of interest, and useful information that isn't immediately actionable. Think of it like your personal library inside OneNote. You might add notes about software, recipes, research, writing ideas, learning materials, or anything else you want to keep for later. One important tip here is to only create sections when you actually have high-value notes to add. That keeps the system lean and prevents you from building empty categories that you never use. The cleaner your structure, the easier it is to stay consistent. Once you've built these 4 parts, take a moment to review your notebook and make sure everything is in the right place. Inbox is for temporary capture. Projects are for active goals with deadlines. Areas are for ongoing responsibilities. Resources are for helpful information you want to keep. That's the Para method in OneNote, and it works because it gives every note a purpose. If you want to make this system even more effective, try using a weekly review. Open your 00 Inbox section, sort through everything inside, and move each note into projects, areas, or resources. This keeps your notebook from becoming cluttered and makes it much easier to find things when you need them. Also, try naming your sections consistently so your notebook stays visually organized and easy to scan. So that's how to set up Para in OneNote and organize your life like a pro. It's simple, powerful, and easy to maintain once you get into the habit. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next productivity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.